Patina, are you still hibernating? The people don't believe that you hibernate, but that's what you're doing. Just on your bed, under your blanket, hibernating. Till it's 70? Till every day is 70? That's what you're waiting for? Alright, I'll tell him. Heat's on. Volkswagens are in the garage. Coffee's on. Paint is dry on the tins, so we're going to go ahead and get you guys set in the tripod so you can watch me put some of the tins and the jewelry back on this engine. Depending on how long it takes and how it goes, I'll stop if I need to explain something. It's pretty straightforward. We'll keep it slow and keep you guys with a good view. And enjoy the music from my friend HAZEYDAZE as we put the tin back on this engine in the reverse order to which we took it apart. And of course you've seen what Patina was doing. She is full hibernation status. So we'll just leave her be on hibernation status.
Low life triers, pistol whip criers, walk the street with the rock bottom liars. World has pain in, less entertaining. You get some money spent to smash your brain in. You're in control, it's your drug of choice. Zombie city, are you losing your voice? There's weathered faces, shoplifting chases. I seen it all in all the places. Selling cheap just to keep on rolling. Rain come heavy, got a shoe with a hole in. Can't relax, now my bones are cold. But the funny thing is they never wanted the gold. They're just down on luck, made some shit choices. And in their head there were too many voices. Turn the page, there's a clean new sheet. I think it's time to come and try and dry those feet. It's the same old story, starting to bore me. Well, there's a reason why they wanted the glory. The future was a vision that they had in the past, and tomorrow never happened, so we sit back and laugh. With the low-life triers, pistol whip criers, walking street with the rock bottom liars. World has pain and less entertaining. I got some money, gonna smash my brain in. 1, 2. Well, these rules are meant for breaking. Life's a journey that everyone's taking. Imagine time was twisted and you existed. Fun was on your side as you climbed to the top of the slide. You're never gonna know it, 'cause all you did was blow it. Now you're looking for a place to hide. My friend, you lend a helping hand to lost and found. Well, after all said and done, well, I'll go and buy a gun, but someone's gonna end up in the ground. Let's break some bread and we'll all get fed, and then we'll drink until tomorrow. Too many secrets and lies with your storytelling eyes. I think you love all the pain and the sorrow. Well, these streets.
Oh, this one little screw right here. I should have titled this little portion of the video, Welcome to Struggle Street, or as we walk down Struggle Street, or my trip down Struggle Street, or one screw kicks off on my, you know. Anyway, we'll get her eventually.
It all boils down to greed. So help me out, help me work it out, help me try to understand. I think we're all the same in this crazy game. You gotta learn how to hold a hand. My friend, you lend a helping hand to lost and found. Well, after all said and done, well, you'll go and buy a gun, but someone's gonna end up in the ground. Let's break some bread and we'll all get fed, and then we'll drink until tomorrow. Too many secrets and lies with your storytelling eyes. I think you love all the pain and the sorrow. Faces come and faces go. There's people here you'll never know. All I wanna do today is sit a while and play. Understand we're not the same, but deep inside the truth remains. All I wanna be is me. Sit and let your mind be free.
Alright, you guys are going to see a lot of work get done right here on this header. Unfortunately, we ended up finding out that the header has got too many holes in it to be completely repairable. I may need to source another parts header to get some parts off of it, or just replace it. Like, the replacement header is only 100 and some change, so we'll see what happens.
Don't close your eyes too tight. It's gonna be alright. I'll wipe away your tears, help you conquer all your fears. From the darkness comes the light. Let me hold you close and tight. I wish away the pain, but the truth will still remain. Had my share of ups and downs. I've met the jokers and the clowns. Made my way to hell and back. I'm not a stranger you attack. What don't kill you makes you strong. So find a place where you belong. It's time to...
Right here is where we start to notice it's getting a little thin.
Deep within the truth remains. I'm sick of people playing games. Just be true and say it straight, and scrape the bullshit from your plate. Stop wasting time, cause that's a sin. If you don't know where to begin, I'm always here to lend a hand, help you try to understand. Don't close your eyes too tight. It's gonna be alright. I'll wipe away your tears, help you conquer all your fears. From the darkness comes a light. Let me hold you close and tight. I wish away the pain, but the truth will still remain. 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 Faces come and faces go. There's people here you'll never know. All I wanna do today is sit a while and play. Take 46. You're on my mind again. Every time I need a friend. Dada, I wish you were here with me. All I wanna do is talk. Remember when you used to walk, the sunlight on our faces, we were free. We never really understood what it meant for you to go. Now we're trying hard to remember every word you ever spoke. All the time we wasted thinking time would never end. And now I know this time.
Hopefully you guys caught that rookie mistake. We got her too tight and then I couldn't line up the last two bolts to go in there.
Something else you missed, my friend. Dada, I wish you were here to see. All I want just sometime we land. But now I know this time is just sometime we land. But now I know this time is just sometime we land.
You can see right here, this one pipe I'm working on, you can see that hole right there on that corner, that whole corner of that pipe all the way to the flange right there is it's paper thin. That's why we're just, you can see the hole just gets bigger as I touch it with the wire wheel. That's when we decided to abandon this this header as a viable option for this car. Alright, we got the two heater boxes all de-rusted, and I've got some high temperature barbecue Rust-Oleum paint sprayed on there, the first coat. They're hanging up, they're right above the heater. Sorry for the shaky cam, they're right above the heater. We're going to let them dry. My battery is flashing at me. What? Okay, well the header is, it's not necessarily too far gone, but we're going to have to source some parts off of another header. The one end of it is pretty thin, so my welder was just on the lowest setting, was just blowing right through it. So we're either going to wrap it with muffler tape and call her good, or we are going to source another header. I know a new header is like $129 or something, so let's add it to the wish list and move on for now. So we will check on the baking situation of our heater boxes and get them installed. Alright, fresh gasket. We're going to make sure first of all that's the right side, and it is in fact the correct side. In fact, that all set up in there like it's supposed to be. All four nuts. Sorry for that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you guys are probably only looking at me, so I apologize for that. Alright, so we got the heater boxes set on there. Grab the wrench, and we're going to go ahead and tighten these up. I checked the amount of footage, and I was happy with it, so we're going to call this a video. And I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here. And we will see you in a couple of days when we tackle the question of intake. Whether to remain fuel injected, which is what I would like to do, or for right now, do we fool around with a couple of carburetors? We'll answer that question in the next video. Anyway, thanks again, and we will see you guys in a couple of days.